Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today on our 03 Tundra we're going to show you where your jack is located in the vehicle, how to let the spare down, and the jack points on the truck. So if you need any parts for your car, head on over to 1aauto.com. On our 03 Tundra, the jack points, it shows in the manual to put the bottle jack on the rear diff, on the flat spot on either side, and in the front where you have this cross member bar, they want you to put it right on the flat spot of the frame. So on this model, it is located behind the driver's seat. So we've got a 4-door here. Open it up that way. So there on both sides, you can lift up the bottom part of the seat by pushing this lever rearward and lifting that up. It locks right up. Here you have the hidden compartment. Turn it to where it says unlock. Lift that up. And there is your jack and your lug wrench and the tools to let the spare down. So I'm going to remove this rubber bracket, pull out the pouch, and I'm going to grab the jack too so we can see how it works. So here's the pouch. I'm going to open up the pouch and take out all the contents. We don't need that right now, but we're going to assemble this in a manner that we're going to use it. So there's little notches, so you're going to line those notches up. Just butterfly turn. Same here. A butterfly turn, and here's the handle. So that's how the mechanism works. So the hook piece is going to go inside the rear tailgate area. There's a slot right below the handle, right above the bumper. So if you look inside there, you'll see the slotted keyway. So you'll see the slot right in there, and you're going to put the slotted end of the pole that you just put together. Okay, so I'm going to put the hook part in and line it right up. Find the location. There we go. Okay. And now I'm going to crank it down, so I want to go counterclockwise. And the cable will allow the tire to come down. Even if you've never used this on your truck, it's a good practice to do this. Even if you only have like 30,000 miles, I would do this and coat that cable chain with some sort of synthetic spray you can get at a hardware store or an automotive store, so that hopefully this will never freeze up on you. Heaven forbid you should need it 5 years down the road and the actual cable's frozen on you. I'm going to let it all the way down, and when it's down, we're just going to pull this out. Get that out of our way. And now what you would do is get down on your belly, on your side. You're going to lift that tire up like that. You're going to pull this, well, you can't pull, it's frozen in there. So I'm going to get the lug nut wrench and I'll pry it out. So the mechanism's frozen in the steel rim, so I'm just going to pry it out like that. Tilt this so that it goes through the hole. There we go. I'm going to lubricate the cable for the spare tire before I put the tire back up. It's good practice to do this at least once a year. I'm using a garage door cable spray. So what I'm going to do is coat that cable and hand spin that up just as if the tire was on it. And that way it will coat the whole inside of the mechanism and the cable. I don't recommend using a white lithium spray. I would use either gray graphite or anything with a synthetic base to it. And that way you can make sure this is going to be there for you and work properly when it's needed. Wouldn't be fun to have an emergency and then this not be working. And once you roll it all the way up, just unroll it back down and we're going to put the spare tire on. Okay, now with the spare tire back underneath the vehicle, to put it back up, we're going to just kind of reverse the process. So you're going to want to lift it up and then take your cable and put it in across. So it seats right into the rim. Then let it dangle. Now you're going to slide your jack mechanism back into the slot. And you can crank it up. Once it bottoms out, I just give it a snug. Now it's time to repack your jack and handle back into the car. The jack sits in the spot that's marked for the jack. Slide it down in there. Then this, all the lug wrench. All right. Just slide that over. Pull the jack down. Put your hidden compartment door back. Lock it. And there you have it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.